Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about the angles. It is belonging grade 6 7th lesson. Okay. Angles. Grade 6 7th lesson. Grade 6 7th lesson. Okay. Very firstly, we have to identifying an angle. මොකද්ද මේ කෝණයක් කියන්නේ කියලා හඳුනා ගන්න. angle කියන්නේ අගල් ලියන්න. This is the very basic idea. This is the angle. Okay. This is angle. Certain angle. Okay, certain angle. This one and this one. What? Arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. That is the idea. Okay. Arms of the angle. What is this? Magnitude. Magnitude of the angle. What is the meaning of magnitude? Magnitude. මොකද්ද මේකට කියන්නේ අපි? මැග්නිටියුඩ් කියලා අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් සාමාන්‍ය විශාලත්වය ඒක නැත්තම් මේක අංශක ගානකින් මයින්නේ අපි. හරිද? ඩිග්‍රී වලින් තමයි මයින්නේ මේක ඔයාලට අදාළ නැහැ. මම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න තමයි කිව්වේ. magnitude of the angle. Arms of the angle. This is the certain angle. And what is this point? This point. It is vertex. Of the angle. Okay. Now draw the figure and write down arms of the angle, magnitude of the angle, vertex of the angle. You have to remember these. Okay. Draw the figure and write down. Now I am going to next part. Okay. Push the video and write down. Now I am going to draw several angles. Okay. draw the figures. I will explain, okay, before the several angles and draw the figures. Push the video, okay. Next one. What? The right angle. The right angle. The right angle. Right angle. What? The right angle. Riju Kone. You have to remember this. This is a essential part. This is the main part of this lesson. We have to remember this. Okay? Very easy. Very easy. How to remember? This is what? This is right angle. This is right angle. Remember the clock. Twelve, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 7, 10, 11. How? This is a hour hand. This is a minute hand. Then 3 o'clock. Like what? Right angle. 3 o'clock like right angle. As well as what? Nine o'clock. Likely what? Right angle. Okay. You can draw like this. This is also right angle. As well as this right angle. This right angle. This one also right angle. Okay, remember this. This is very easy thing, okay? Like this angle is right angle. Okay? This symbol is used to denote a right angle. What? This symbol. This symbol is used to denote a right angle. Remember that, okay? Now push the video and draw the figures and write down. 3 straight block, 9 o'clock. As the examples, okay? Examples, as the example, you can remember. How about the right angle? 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. How about? As well as you have to remember this symbol. Okay? I am going to next part. Stop the video and draw the figures and write down respectively. Okay? Next, I am going to divide like this. .3 identity find different type of angles. Okay, identifying different types of angles. What is the first one? First one is acute angle. Acute angle. What is the singular meaning? Sulu kone. Next one. Straight angle. What? What is the meaning? Straight angle. No? You know about that, okay? What is the next? Obtuse angle. What? Mahakone. You have to remember English word as well as singular word. Next one. Reflex angle. What? It is Paravartana kone. Okay. Now, how to draw this one? I am going to draw all these figures using the right angle. Okay? Look. This is the right angle. Okay? Now, this is acute angle. This one right angle. This one right angle. This one straight angle. Obtuse angle. This is the arm. This is obtuse angle. Reflex angle. Reflex. Right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Okay, you can see right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Okay, think like this. What angle is like this angle? Reflex angle. Reflex angle, acute angle. Reflex angle, acute angle. These are difference. Acute angle's magnitude is here, as well as reflex angle magnitude as is here. Okay, acute angle magnitude is here, as well as reflex angle magnitude is here, in here. Okay, remember this. Magnitude is what? This is right angle. Okay, magnitude is what? Less than, no, smaller than what? Is smaller than what? Right angle. Magnitude is smaller than right angle. Smaller than right angle. How about this? How about this? Can you say magnitude is equal? What is the meaning of equal? Samana. Equal to right angles. Magnitude is equal to two right angles. Equal right angles. Two right angles. Equal to two right angles magnitude. Okay? Remember that. Next one. How about this obtuse angle? Magnitude is magnitude of this angle bigger than what? Right angle. And is smaller than what? Smaller than what? Straight angle. This is a right angle. Bigger than right angle, as well as this is a straight angle. Less than, no, small than what? Straight angle. How about this magnitude? magnitude of this angle. How? Magnitude of this angle. One right angle, two right angle, three right angle, four right angle. Remember that. One right angle, 2, 3, 4. That's the idea, okay? Magnitude of this angle. How? Greater than what? Straight angle. And what? Smaller than what? Smaller than what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angles. Can you understand? I will explain in Sinhala also. සුළු කෝණයක විශාලත්වය මොකද්ද? ඍජු කෝණයකට වඩා කුඩා වෙනවා. ඍජු කෝණයකට වඩා කුඩා ඍජු කෝණයක්. දැන් හිතන්න මේක තමයි එක ආම් එකක් මෙහෙම දිනනවා. තාම මේක ඍජු කෝණ. ඍජු කෝණයට වඩා අඩුයි නම් මැග්නිටියුඩ් එක මොකද්ද? සුළු කෝණයක්. නැත්නම් මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ? acute angle. Okay, and this, what is this? Right angle. Right angle එකට වඩා විශාලයි සහ straight angle එකට වඩා කුඩායි නම් ඒකට අපි කියනවා obtuse angle කියලා. straight angle. reflex angle. පරාවර්තන කෝණයක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ වගේ හිතන්න. ඔන්න දැන් තියෙනවා මෙහෙම තියෙනවා. මම මේක අරගෙන මෙහෙම කරකවනවා මෙහෙම. මෙන්න මේ ගිය කෝණේ. Think you have one arm and you මේක කරකවනවා. Left hand side or right hand side. Then you can create a new angle like this. Think like this. Okay. Now this is a reflex angle. I will explain. Then that is the basic ideas. Acute angle සුළු කෝණ, straight angle සරල, obtuse angle මහා කෝණය, reflex angle පරාවර්තන කෝණය. That is the ideas. Push the video and write down all of these respectively. Okay. Okay, now I am going to explain some problems. Okay, think. This is 1, this is 2. How? 1, 2, 1. Now what happened? This is right angle. It's smaller than right angle. Then one is what? acute angle. 2. 2 is in this side, larger than right angle but smaller than straight angle. Then what? Obtuse. Obtuse angle. How about this? How about these? How about these angles? One, two, 3, 4, 5. Think like this, okay? This is your mathematics exercise book, okay? Now, according to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to this figure, how to write down? What is acute? What is obtuse? Acute, obtuse. What is okay? That's it. And also think, how about this? This is straight angle. Okay. I will explain it next problem. Okay. Now one. You can see smaller than the right angle. Smaller than the right angle. Then what? Acute angle. You have to remember these words, okay? Please remember that. Acute angle. Second one. I told you this is your this is your exercise book. Okay? Mathematics. Now what happened? This is what? Right angle. Third one is also right angle. Fourth one, how about this? It is smaller than the right angle. Because of the acute angle. Then fifth one, you can see very easy, reflex angle. This is acute, right angle, acute angle. How about this? Okay, that's it. Draw the figure, write down. Okay, try to understand. If you have any question or doubts, please put a comment. Okay. I will put a reply video. Push the video and draw the figures and write down, okay? How about this? This whole angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. One is reflex angle. 2, how? Smaller than right angle, then acute angle. How about this? Third one, also acute angle. Acute angle. How about this? This is straight angle. Very easy lesson, okay? Remember the names. Remember the names and remember the right angle. Okay? Remember the right angle and remember these words. Through that you can understand well this lesson and do the exercises as well as, okay, in your textbook. Okay, I think you can understand well. I explained it. This is very easy lesson. Don't think about deeply, okay? Okay, thank you for watching.